guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first you need to locate and open your Play Store, then click on your account icon and select Manage Apps and Device. And here under Updates Available, you will be able to locate all applications that can be currently updated. And now you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. Just like this. And then it will be done. You can use your device in a normal way then, and apps will be updated in the background. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.